My name's Dr. Rachel Zoffness. I'm a pain psychologist in Berkeley, California, and I'm the author of the Chronic Pain and Illness Workbook for teens. Ideally, my hope is that all teens who are struggling with this will get support because there's no need to go through it alone. And when I think of support, I think of getting a pain coach or a psychologist, a cognitive behavioral therapist, or any kind of health coach to help you manage this. And anyone can use the workbook. It doesn't have to be a therapist. It doesn't have to be a psychologist. It can be a nurse or any medical provider or any therapist with any background can pick up the book and go through the protocol. But I also wanted to make sure that teens felt like they had a resource they could also just use themselves. So any teen could pick up the book and just go through it themselves. And I also wanted a resource for parents of teens with chronic pain. And I wanted to make sure that the book was user-friendly, not just for teens and not just for providers, but also for parents. It's hard enough just surviving when you're a teenager with all the stressors, especially nowadays. There's fake news and real news and surviving lunchtime at high school and all the social pressures and social media and figuring out your identity. Being a teenager is hard enough. And then on top of that, you throw in chronic pain. And then on top of that, you throw in like seeing a therapist for your pain. And that often comes with a lot of stigma. So I try and tell teens that I'm a pain coach and that if it's okay to go to a soccer coach to get better at soccer, it is surely okay to go to a pain coach to get better at managing pain, because it's totally counterintuitive and really hard. And it's just nice to have the support when you're dealing with pain and just being a teenager.